There's a lot of concern on what's happening in the market, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. You know, for the past few months, the market has been in a volatile state with high inflation, low inventory, and a pattern of increasing mortgage rates from the Fed. But I've got some good news. The real estate market is softening up. The rising interest rates are causing some buyers to put a pause on house hunting, which in turn lessens the competition for active home buyers. Buyers are even becoming more decisive and taking time to find the perfect home for them instead of making offers based on availability. We've also noticed that houses are staying on the market for longer amounts of time, which is a telltale sign of a cooling market. What does this mean for you? Interest rates will continue to rise, but eventually they will begin to stabilize, leveling the playing field for all buyers. And soon you won't have to compete with 40 people for one property. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and your homeownership dreams are in reach. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.